the harvest field, now right then there's a work of all to do, and the Master's voice is calling to the harvest, calling you.
Thus the bless you're called to labor seems so small, or let her know, or it is great if God is in it, and He won't forsake His own.
There's much when God is in it. Labor not for wealth or fame. There's a crown, and you can win it if you go in Jesus' name.
And when the conflicting has ended, and our race on earth is round, well, He will say, if you've been faithful, welcome home, my child of God. I'll
There's
miss
much when God is in it. Labor not for wealth or fame. There's a crown, and you can win it if you go. If you go. If you go. In Jesus'
Well, I guess first time ninyo pero murag si Junjun. Jun ay nangutana din kung wala ba daw kagi-awardan og loyalty award. Okay, ato na notice na si Junjun ani diri. Axe, tapos na pa yung Shining Heralds and karon Breath Singers. Hello, Kuya. Kailan ako ni sila, family friend. Kuya, gusto mo mga yung update about sa inyong grupo na ba mo'y concert or pwede po mo magpa-invite sa ubang church ahaman mo makontak? Mike, Kuya.
Ang grupo, sa pagkakaroon, nag-stop me kay tungod sa amuhang kauban. So na sunod bulan, kuha na. So amo ginanglan ipa-rest na doktor para nga makatigom og hangin. So doon na may mga invitation tingali amo pang gi-cancel lang sa. So by siguro human sa iyang pagpanganak.
Magpadayon
Padayon
ko.
na
Pero
mi.
nagpasalamit mi na ang Breath Singers even though si ate pero na-blessing sa inyong grupo. Pero nagpasalamit mi ng pahigayon gid mo time diri sa Panimbaya sa Kabuntagon. We are so blessed with your music. Okay, mga kapaglaong once again ang Breath Singers. Pero I guess ato pa ni silang madunggan, no? Okay. But anyway, on the other hand, we have a concert for a cause nga gipahigayon sa Uyim ug Sulads. Dito ato ning tan-awon ang video para sa kumpleto nga detalye.